Hello and welcome to today's video presentation on installing Podman, Buildah, and Skopeo on Oracle Linux 8. In this video, we provide the background on each of these tools and show how to install them for working with images and containers. So let us get started. Podman, Buildah, and Skopeo are independent tools that you can use to create, run, and manage applications across compatible Oracle Linux systems by using Open Container Initiative (OCI) compatible containers. Podman provides a lightweight utility to run and manage those containers and can reuse existing container images designed for Kubernetes, Oracle Container Runtime for Docker, and Oracle Linux Cloud Native environment. Unlike Oracle Container Runtime for Docker, Podman does not require a running daemon to function and enables containers to start and run without root permissions. For compatibility, Podman helps by running containers correctly on systems using either the Red Hat compatible kernel, RHCK, or the UEK release. Additional compatibility exists as Podman provides a command line interface, CLI, intended as a drop-in replacement for Docker. Due to this design, most users can alias Docker to Podman, alias Docker equals Podman, without any problems. To share applications in a software-as-a-service SaaS cloud, Podman integrates with Docker Hub and Oracle Container Registry. This integration provides access to existing images and applications. Besides using existing images, users can create new ones using Buildah. Buildah is a utility for creating Open Container Initiative (OCI) compatible container images and provides a broader range of customization options than the more generic Podman build command. When creating the container images using Buildah, users do not need a running daemon for the utility to function, and it does not cache builds by default. This design allows users to run the build infrastructure fully independent from the container runtime. In line with a complete build infrastructure, Buildah can push container images to container registries, making it well suited to use with deployment scripts and automated build pipelines. Lastly, we have Skopeo. Skopeo is a utility for managing container images on remote container registries, thus making it possible to inspect a container image's contents without first downloading it. Other uses for Skopeo when hosting images in your container registry include moving container images from one location to another seamlessly, and for bulk deleting unneeded container images. Now that we know a bit about these three tools, let us get them installed. In this exercise, we use a fully patched Oracle Linux 8 instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Open a terminal. Install Podman by typing sudo -dnf install Podman. The dnf command will display the Podman package and any dependencies. When prompted, type Y to proceed with the installation. Once installed, display information about the Podman configuration and version by typing podman -info. Note that we ran the podman info command as a regular user and did not require elevated privileges. For more Podman commands, see the Podman manual page. If you are more familiar with Docker, then you can optionally install the podman-docker package, which effectively aliases the Docker command to Podman. Complete the package installation by typing sudo -dnf install podman-docker -y. The -y option will automatically accept the installation of the package and any listed dependencies. With Podman now installed on the system, we can focus on the other utilities. As mentioned during the introduction, Buildah and Skopeo work independently from Podman. Therefore, it is possible to install the Buildah package on the same system as Podman, or an alternate system to keep the build infrastructure separated from the running containers. In this example, we will use the same system for simplicity. Install the Buildah package by typing sudo -dnf install Buildah. As before, the dnf command will display the package requested and any dependencies. After review, type -y to proceed with the installation. Once the command completes, test the install by typing Buildah -- version. The output displays the version of the Buildah executable installed and confirms it is within the user's path. For additional options, type Buildah -h or use the Buildah manual page. Lastly, install the Skopeo package by typing sudo space dnf space install space Skopeo space -y. The package and any dependencies install. Next, test the package by typing Skopeo space -h. The output displays the Skopeo command help details. For more information, see the Skopeo manual page. That completes the install of Podman, Buildah, and Skopeo tools. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using Oracle Linux 8. Please check our additional information on Oracle Linux 8 in the Oracle Linux 8 documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.